Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in this video I will discuss about the third type of argument passing to functions in C++. Okay, so the third type of argument passing to function is pass by pointer or call by address. So here I have written down some of the points. So now let us discuss these points one by one. Okay, so here we are passing pointers as arguments to functions. Okay, so in our last two videos we have discussed call by value and call by reference method of argument passing. So in the first method of argument passing, which was call by value, we were passing the copy of the actual arguments to the called function, and in the second method of argument passing we were passing the reference of the actual parameters, and in the third type of argument passing we will be passing the pointers to the called function. So here we are passing pointers as an argument to the function. Okay, so here we will make use of the concept of pointers, okay, which are the special variables which refers to the address of other variables. Okay, in the function actual values are not specified but their addresses are written. Okay, so here, since we are using the concept of pointers, we will be creating the pointer variable which holds the address of the variable to which that pointer is pointing out. Next point, the function definition consists of pointers as parameters. Okay, so here as I have said that in this type of argument passing we will be using the pointers as parameters. Last point, function accesses the values of the arguments directly. Okay, so here no copies of values are available to the function parameters. Okay, so here since we are using the concept of pointers, we are accessing the values of the arguments directly. Okay, here we are not sending the copy of the actual parameters. So now let us move to the next slide. So here I have written the same program but with the concept of pointers. Okay, so here as you can see, inside the function prototype I am passing the pointer variables. Okay, so these are my pointer variables, which I have told you that these are the special variables which points to the address of other variables. And inside the main function I have created two variables a and b, and then I'm asking the user to enter the values for a and b, and then I'm storing those values inside a and b. Then I'm printing those values before swapping, and then here from here I'm passing the address of a and b. Okay, here I'm making a call to the swap function, and to this swap function I'm passing the address of a and b. These are my actual parameters. Okay, so once I make a call to this swap function, then control will come to this swap function, and here I'm accessing the values which are stored inside these addresses. Okay, since I'm sending the address of the location inside which my value is stored, and once the control comes to this swap function, I'm using this pointer variable to access the value stored inside this address. Okay, and these are my formal parameters. Okay, so these pointer variables I'm using to access the value stored inside the address. Okay, so now this x is now pointing to the address of a. Okay, so now you can see this, the address of variable a is 1000, and inside that address 2 is stored. Okay, now since star x means I want to access the value of the variable a whose address is 1000. Okay, that value I will be assigning to temp, which is 2. Okay, so now I hope you understood that with this pointer, with the definition of the pointer, what I have said is the pointer are the special variable which are used to point to the addresses of other variables. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the pointer variable x, and this pointer variable x is pointing to the address of variable a. Okay, so by doing that I can access the value of a whose address is 1000. Okay, so that value I have assigned to temp. Next, star y, which is pointer y. Okay, so now this pointer y is pointing to the address of 2000. Okay, address 2000 is the address of B, and inside that address the value which is stored is 3. Okay, so now with this pointer I'm accessing the value 3 which is stored inside the address 2000. Okay, so now that value I am assigning to x3. Okay, now inside the temp we have a value of 2, and that value we are assigning to y is pointing to the address of 2000, and then 2000 is the address of B, and that value I will change to B. Okay, so like this I'm swapping the values with each other using the method of pass by pointer or call by address. Okay, so here I'm using the concept of pointers to swap both of these numbers with each other. Okay, so here as well, whenever we make changes in the formal parameters, those changes will get reflected in the actual parameters. Okay, so now let us execute this program in Turbo C++ compiler. Okay, so here I have that program opened in my compiler. Okay, so I will execute this program. Okay, and I will enter the values of 2 and 3. So now you will see the values get swapped with each other successfully. Okay, so this is how we can pass the value to the functions using the method of pass by pointer. Okay, so in this video we have discussed the third type of argument passing to functions, which is pass by pointer or call by address. Okay, so I hope you understood this way of argument passing. So in from our last 3 videos we are covering the various methods of argument passing. Okay, so in this video we have discussed the third category of argument passing, which is pass by pointer or call by address. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you understood each and every point of this discussion, and if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.